Why can't I withdraw my BTC from Gemini? Intro. Have you ever felt trapped by your own digital assets? Imagine investing your hard-earned money into Bitcoin, only to find yourself unable to access it when you need it. That's exactly what happened to countless Gemini users. They invested their trust and their funds in the platform, only to be met with a frustrating barrier, the inability to withdraw their Bitcoin. Today, we're diving deep into the Gemini withdrawal crisis. We'll explore the reasons behind this unprecedented situation, the potential implications, and what you can do to protect your investments. Section 1. Understanding the Gemini withdrawal crisis. Let's start by understanding what exactly happened at Gemini. Gemini, a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform, announced that it had temporarily paused Bitcoin withdrawals. This decision sent shockwaves through the crypto community, leaving many investors wondering what went wrong. The official statement from Gemini cited current market conditions as the reason for the withdrawal pause. However, many users were skeptical, suspecting that there might be deeper underlying issues. Section 2. The role of Genesis Global Trading. To understand the root cause of the Gemini withdrawal crisis, we need to introduce Genesis Global Trading. Genesis is a digital asset lending firm that had a significant exposure to Gemini's Earn program. This program allowed users to earn interest on their crypto holdings. Unfortunately, Genesis faced liquidity issues, which ultimately led to the suspension of withdrawals. The connection between Genesis and Gemini became apparent when it was revealed that Gemini had lent a substantial amount of customer funds to Genesis. Section 3. Potential implications of the crisis. The Gemini withdrawal crisis has far-reaching implications for the cryptocurrency industry. First and foremost, it raises concerns about the safety and security of digital assets held on centralized exchanges. If a major exchange like Gemini can face such difficulties, it begs the question of whether smaller, less established platforms are even more vulnerable. Furthermore, the crisis could damage the reputation of the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. Negative headlines and investor uncertainty can have a chilling effect on market sentiment. Section 4. What can investors do? If you're a Gemini user affected by the withdrawal pause, what can you do to protect your investments? First and foremost, stay calm and avoid panic selling. While the situation may be frustrating, it's important to remember that the crisis is likely temporary. Secondly, consider diversifying your portfolio across multiple exchanges and wallets. By spreading your assets across different platforms, you can reduce your exposure to any single point of failure. Finally, stay informed about the latest developments. Keep an eye on Gemini's official announcements and follow reputable news sources for updates on the situation. Section 5. The future of Gemini and the crypto industry. The Gemini withdrawal crisis is a stark reminder of the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. However, it's important to note that the industry is still in its early stages. As it matures, we can expect to see increased regulation and improved security measures. Ultimately, the future of Gemini and the crypto industry will depend on how they respond to this crisis. If they can restore trust and transparency, the industry may emerge stronger than ever. Conclusion. The Gemini withdrawal crisis is a complex issue with far-reaching implications. While it's frustrating for those affected, it's also an opportunity for the industry to learn and grow. By understanding the underlying causes and taking proactive steps to protect your investments, you can navigate this challenging time with greater confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.